Tattoos are more than just ink on skin. They're a form of art that has been practiced for centuries across various cultures and societies. Each tattoo tells a story, a personal narrative that is etched into the skin forever. They represent art, self-expression, and personal stories. From ancient tribal markings to modern-day masterpieces, tattoos have always been a way for individuals to express their identity, beliefs, and experiences. But beneath the surface, a fascinating biological drama unfolds. The process of getting a tattoo is not just about the ink and the design. It involves a complex interaction with the body's immune system. When you get a tattoo, you are not only injecting ink, but also interacting with your body's powerful defense system, the immune system. The moment the needle punctures the skin, the body recognizes the ink as a foreign substance and immediately springs into action. This intricate network of cells and processes is constantly on guard, protecting us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. White blood cells, the soldiers of our immune system, rush to the site of the tattoo to engulf and remove the ink particles. Tattoos present a unique challenge to the immune system because they introduce foreign substances, tattoo ink particles, into the body. Unlike bacteria or viruses, these ink particles are too large to be completely removed by the immune cells. Understanding how the immune system responds to these particles is key to understanding why tattoos are permanent. The ink particles become trapped within the skin cells, and over time the immune system's response helps to keep the ink in place, making the tattoo a lasting mark on the body. The skin, our largest organ, acts as a barrier against the outside world. It's composed of three main layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. The epidermis, the outermost layer, constantly sheds dead cells, providing a tough first line of defense. Beneath the epidermis lies the dermis, a thicker layer containing blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue. The dermis is where tattoos find their permanent home. The deepest layer, the hypodermis, is made up of fat and connective tissue, providing insulation and cushioning. Tattoo needles must penetrate the epidermis to reach the dermis, where the ink becomes embedded. If the ink were deposited only in the epidermis, the tattoo would quickly fade away as those cells naturally shed. The dermis, however, is a stable environment. Its cells are not constantly replaced like those in the epidermis. This is why tattoos are considered permanent. The ink particles become trapped within the dermis, held by the body's own cells. When tattoo ink enters the dermis, the immune system springs into action, recognizing the ink particles as foreign invaders. Specialized white blood cells called macrophages rush to the tattoo site. Macrophages are the body's cleanup crew, engulfing and destroying anything they perceive as a threat. This immune response triggers inflammation, a natural healing process characterized by redness, swelling, and sometimes pain. This is why new tattoos are often tender and slightly raised. Section 5. Macrophages and ink, a lifelong embrace. Macrophages are highly efficient at their job, but tattoo ink presents a unique challenge. The ink particles are too large to be completely broken down and eliminated by the macrophages. Instead, the macrophages engulf the ink particles, trapping them within their own cell bodies. This process is what makes tattoos permanent. The ink-filled macrophages remain in the dermis, giving the tattoo its long-lasting color. Over time, some ink particles may migrate slightly within the dermis, contributing to the gradual fading of tattoos. Section 6, the test of time, how tattoos fade. While tattoos are considered permanent, they do fade over time. This fading process is influenced by a variety of factors, both external and internal. Understanding these factors can help in maintaining the longevity and vibrancy of your tattoo. Exposure to sunlight is a major culprit, as ultraviolet rays can break down the ink particles. The more a tattoo is exposed to the sun, the faster it will fade. This is why it's crucial to protect your tattoo with sunscreen or keep it covered when spending extended periods outdoors. The type of ink used, the depth of the tattoo, and individual skin characteristics also play a role in fading. High-quality inks tend to last longer, while cheaper inks may break down more quickly. Additionally, tattoos that are placed deeper into the skin may retain their appearance longer than those that are more superficial. As the ink particles break down and disperse within the dermis, the tattoo's lines may become less defined, and the colors may lose their vibrancy. This process can be gradual, often taking years before significant fading is noticeable. However, some tattoos may fade more quickly depending on the aforementioned factors. This natural fading process is why touch-ups are sometimes needed to maintain a tattoo's original appearance. Regular touch-ups can help restore the tattoo's original colors and sharpness, ensuring that it continues to look as good as new. Consulting with a professional tattoo artist can provide additional tips and care instructions to prolong the life of your tattoo. Section 7. Erasing the art, the challenges of tattoo removal. While tattoos are meant to be permanent, advancements in laser technology have made tattoo removal more effective. Lasers emit high-intensity light beams that target and break down the tattoo ink particles into smaller fragments. These smaller fragments can then be more easily removed by the body's natural processes. However, tattoo removal is not a simple process. It usually requires multiple sessions, and the results can vary depending on the tattoo's age, color, and ink type. Section 8. The delicate dance art, biology, and the human canvas. Tattoos represent a fascinating interplay between art and biology. Each tattoo is a unique piece of art, meticulously crafted by the artist, and a biological phenomenon that engages the body's complex systems. The process begins with the artist's vision, translated into a design that will become a permanent part of someone's skin. The artist's needle becomes an instrument that interacts with the body's intricate defense mechanisms. As the needle punctures the skin, it deposits ink into the dermis, the layer just beneath the outer epidermis. This action triggers the body's immune response as it recognizes the ink particles as foreign invaders. The permanence of tattoos is a testament to the immune system's remarkable ability to recognize and respond to foreign substances. Macrophages, a type of immune cell, rush to the site to engulf the ink particles. Some of these cells carry the ink away, but many remain in the dermis, holding the ink in place and giving the tattoo its lasting appearance. Understanding the cellular drama that unfolds beneath the surface of a tattoo deepens our appreciation for this ancient art form. The interplay between the ink and the immune system creates a dynamic and enduring piece of art that is as much a part of the body as it is a visual statement. It reminds us that our bodies are not static canvases, but dynamic living landscapes constantly responding to the world around us. The healing process after getting a tattoo is a clear example of this, as the skin repairs itself while integrating the ink into its structure. This ongoing interaction between art and biology highlights the incredible adaptability and resilience of the human body. Section 9. Conclusion: the enduring allure of tattoos. Tattoos have adorned human skin for millennia, serving as markers of identity, spirituality, and self-expression. From ancient rituals to modern artistry, the allure of tattoos endures, captivating us with their beauty and permanence. While the decision to get a tattoo is a personal one, understanding the science behind these intricate designs adds another layer of appreciation for this captivating art form.